Life in Coppell offers a great mix of quiet suburban charm and easy access to the bustling Dallas-Fort Worth area. But with growth comes noise, whether it's traffic from nearby highways, airplanes overhead, or neighborhood activity. For homeowners seeking more peace and quiet, new windows designed with soundproofing in mind can make a significant difference. Why noise reduction matters. Unwanted noise isn't just an inconvenience, it affects daily comfort and even health. Constant exposure to traffic, barking dogs, or outdoor activity can interrupt sleep, create stress, and make it difficult to relax in your own home. For Coppell residents, where neighborhoods are growing and sound levels can vary widely, having a home that blocks out excess noise is becoming increasingly important. That's where window replacement plays a vital role. Modern windows aren't just about style or energy savings. Many are built to significantly improve soundproofing, creating a calmer and more enjoyable living space. How new windows reduce noise. Noise enters homes primarily through weak points in the building envelope, and old windows are often one of the biggest culprits. Here's how new window technology helps. Double or triple panes. Unlike single-pane windows, multiple panes of glass create barriers that absorb and reduce sound waves. Laminated glass. Some soundproof windows use laminated glass, which includes a special inner layer that dampens vibrations and blocks more outside noise. Insulated frames. High-quality vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames are better at sealing gaps and reducing noise compared to older aluminum frames. Tight seals and weather stripping. Professional installation ensures there are no gaps around the frame where sound can leak through. Together, these features can reduce outside noise levels by up to 50% or more, depending on the type of window chosen. Benefits beyond noise reduction. Soundproofing is just one advantage of installing new windows. Coppell homeowners also gain additional perks that make the investment worthwhile. Energy efficiency. Many noise-reducing windows are also energy efficient, helping lower utility bills by keeping cool air inside during hot Texas summers. Increased home value. Quiet, comfortable homes with upgraded windows appeal to buyers, boosting property value and resale potential. Better sleep and comfort. A quieter environment leads to better rest and a more relaxing home atmosphere. Enhanced aesthetics. Modern windows come in a variety of styles that improve curb appeal while delivering practical benefits. Choosing the right soundproof windows. When considering window replacement for soundproofing in Coppell, it's important to evaluate both performance and design. Look for STC, Sound Transmission Class, rating. Higher STC ratings mean better noise reduction. For noticeable improvement, consider windows rated STC 30 or higher. Frame material. Vinyl, fiberglass, or wood-clad frames often perform better than aluminum for both insulation and noise reduction. Professional installation. Even the best windows won't perform properly if not installed correctly. Choose experienced local installers who understand Coppell's climate and neighborhood needs. Final thoughts. For Coppell homeowners, upgrading to new windows is more than just an aesthetic decision. It's an investment in comfort, health, and quality of life. With modern soundproofing technology, you can block out unwanted noise, enjoy quieter living spaces, and still reap the benefits of energy efficiency and enhanced curb appeal. If you've noticed that outside sounds are disrupting your home environment, it may be time to consider a window replacement. By choosing the right products and professional installation, you can enjoy a more peaceful home and make the most of life in Coppell.